Do you want to make your own delicious veggie burgers for dinner? Look no further than this recipe. Okay, so there are times where you look around your fridge and pantry and feel like you have nothing left to make for dinner. Or you want a meatless meal but need a little creativity with your dish. This recipe is it. If you have beans, oats, and spices, you can pretty much make these burgers. So in this large bowl, I'm going to gently mash my black beans. You don't want them pureed. You just want them broken up enough so the inside of the beans, the starchier part, will adhere to the other ingredients to form a patty. I'm gonna add my seasonings, which I like to use some chili powder, cumin, paprika, a little salt, and fresh cilantro. Oh, and you know what? If you don't have black beans, you can use white beans, kidney beans, even chickpeas. This basic recipe works with all of them. The seasoning is very much up to you. Sometimes I like to switch this up and just use curry powder or Cajun seasoning since the recipe is very versatile. I like a little texture to the black beans, so I'm going to add some finely chopped red peppers, quick oats or breadcrumbs, some chopped onion, a shredded carrot, and an egg. To make these egg-free, you can use a flax egg, and make sure you check the recipe right below this video for the ingredients and all the substitution notes. So now that you have a cohesive mixture, you're gonna want to form 6 patties with your hands. Then in a large grease pan or on a griddle over medium heat, you can pan fry these patties for about 5 minutes, flip them, and cook the other side for an additional 5 minutes. I like to serve these over a salad or, of course, on a bun with my favorite toppings such as lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles. What do you think? Are veggie burgers in your near future? Let me know by leaving a comment below what your favorite type of beans to have on hand in your pantry are, so I can create more recipes that put them to use. For the recipe and measurements, check the description box right below this video. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button. I love to send you a new video every single week. See you next time. All right, so the fork's taking a long time. So I'm just using the back of the ladle. But if you have a potato masher, use that.